And just to give a real big thank you to our Deputy Minister and Chief Whip, Jane Holt AM, who is, as you all know, the ultimate lead for equalities in Welsh Government. And this council have been absolutely spectacular in their support for grassroots communities. I think our journey started when 2 years ago the council was applying to become a city of culture. And I remember Tracy, amazing Tracy McNulty and her lovely team, Chris Mellor, and they invited us to host 25 ethnic groups. And all of you gave them a really tough time because you felt that for a while they'd forgotten all of us. And they came, they sat around our table and they listened. They listened to every single one of you say how it was important not to wheel people out and push them back when you didn't need them. They listened very carefully. They listened to your needs that you were only meeting in your front rooms. They listened to your need to be the hub in the center of Swansea.
I think it's only Uzo Wobi who can have the launch of a start of a launch, or a start of a launch of a rebuild. And I said, right, well that's fine, Uzo. Any chance for a celebration? Any chance for a party? But I'm just so pleased to be, because this has lit up my life tonight, coming here and being with you all. So I'm coming here tonight, meeting you all, meeting all of the wonderful groups, such a diverse community. I remember coming years back to the opening of the African Community Centre. But you know, you have got such a wonderful welcome, and being also City of Sanctuary and all the work that you do. This is just what you should be, Swansea, isn't it? And you are here tonight showing what you will be. And we know that Wales does want to celebrate diversity, our diverse communities, and this is very important in these days. Quite challenging days in terms of ensuring that we are building bridges, we are working together, we are meeting and loving our neighbours, and that can be in our streets, communities, towns, villages and cities of Wales, that we come together in that way. You can show how it's done in Swansea.
The opportunity is for everybody to work together, use the facilities of the Grand Theatre. There's some code reductions going on. Let's show people what the Swansea community can do. That we are a city of sanctuary.